My name is Imayna Caceres. I'm an artist, writer, researcher, and I am interested in forms of making of communities in modern human worlds, as well as forms of knowledge that exceed and include Western knowledge. I come from fine arts and sociology, and I'm currently doing my PhD in philosophy at the Academy of Fine Arts of Vienna. In the project Sensing Resonance, I was paired with scientists that were researching on dietary change in relation to agricultural forestry practices. So, what I was proposing was to do a collection of recipes for survival, and this was this was considering the findings of the research, mainly that it does have an impact when people decide to eating local food, bio or free of pesticide food, where they consider to have low waste and also low consumption of meat or better no meat. So with these main findings of the research, I was sharing a collection of recipes, but also I was including a lot of reflections on climate change. So like how the climate disaster is impacted the environment. And in general, it was not only so a collection of recipes, but also like a reflection of what is food. And along this collection of recipes, I also had an offering in the space of the Kunsthalle. And this was meant as a reminder of the ancestral relationships that our ancestors had to have with other plants and crops. And also a reminder of our dependability in their labor as beings that are also being affected by climate disaster, and the necessity that we care for their well-being. And I also had a flyer where I was collecting drawings that were useful for me in the process of thinking about these scientific findings.